Welcome, listeners, to another episode of Communication Leadership Podcast, where we journey through the fascinating history of communication technology and explore its impact on our world. Today, we'll dive into the development of communication technology, focusing on one of the most revolutionary inventions in history, and that is the printing press. To start our journey, let's travel back in time to understand the early stages of communication technology before the digital age, even before the internet, or way before the typewriter. There was the printing press. This invention transformed how information was disseminated, making it accessible to the masses and fundamentally changing society. Our first stop is the earliest form of the printing press in American history. Imagine a hand-operated machine made primarily of wood and meters, laboriously printing each page by pressing ink type into paper. These early printing presses were cumbersome yet revolutionary. Johannes Gutenberg, a name synonymous with the printing revolution, invented the movable type printing press in the mid-15th century. This innovation allowed for the mass production of communication materials like newspapers and books, which were previously hand-copied and rare. The printing press made books more affordable and accessible, effectively democratizing knowledge. As we move forward in time, let's explore the intermediate form of this remarkable technology. In the early 19th century, the printing press underwent significant changes with the advent of steam power. The steam-powered printing press, developed by Friedrich Koenig and Henry Friedrich Boer around 1814, marked a significant leap in efficiency. These presses featured iron frame and were powered by steam engines, allowing them to produce thousands of copies per hour. This leap in production capacity lowered the cost of printing or printed materials, making newspapers and books more widely available. This increased access contributed significantly to literacy rates and informed public. Next, we have the rotary printing press, introduced in the late 19th century. This innovation by Richard March Poe in 1843 further revolutionized the printing press. The rotary press was larger and featured rotating cylinders that enabled continuous printing on rolls of paper. This technology could produce millions of copies quickly, paving the way for mass media as we know it. As we reflect on the various forms of the printing press throughout history, we see a clear trajectory of increasing efficiency and accessibility, from Gutenberg's hand-operated press to the steam-powered models, and finally the rotary press. Each iteration has brought us closer to the rapid dissemination of information that we take for granted today. The principles of the printing press laid the foundation for our modern printing and publishing industries. Today, this technology remains crucial for education, media, and the dissemination of information. Looking to the future, we can anticipate further advancement. The integration of AI and machine learning technologies could streamline production processes even more, making them faster and more efficient. Additionally, the incorporation of robotics might minimize human effort, making printing even more automated in process.